Okay, thank you so much for joining me today here. I'm Gaurav Bhatnagar, Director Sales at Amazon India. I'm glad to be here in Telangana today, in Hyderabad. One of the big things we do is work with our sellers over the last many months to help them prepare for the festive sale, which is the Amazon Great Indian Festival. It is an opportune time for our sellers to really boost their sales, grow their business, and set a foundation for future growth as well. As run up to this event, one of the key things we have done is reduction in fee on selling fee across multiple categories from a range of 3% to 12%. And we believe this is a key enabler for our sellers to drive tremendous success on the marketplace. We believe that this will allow our sellers to be able to introduce new products, new categories. They will be able to optimize their operations and equally make sure that not just they do that, but also invest in their business to be able to boost their sales and grow. Yeah. So very key, I would request all our sellers to leverage this fee reduction and make sure that we can provide the best offers to our customers in terms of driving their business and driving their sales. We've also been using technology over the last many years in terms of making it very seamless for our sellers across the country and sellers in Telangana to be able to operate on the marketplace across technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and now generative AI is something which we've been actively bringing for the benefit of our sellers and our customers. Across these technologies, it allows our sellers to list their products seamlessly on the marketplace, build their detailed listing pages, make sure that they are able to provide defect-free catalog for our customers, and ensure that the customers can get the best service and best customer service that they get using this technology. We're also introducing Amazon Seller Rewards this year, 2024, where over 1,900 sellers will win, exciting prizes as a celebration of their sales and the benefit that they will get out of the Amazon Great Indian Festival. We're looking at over 35 sellers traveling abroad as part of the rewards program to international locations, including Amazon headquarter at Seattle. So we are committed to working with sellers across the country, across Telangana, to make sure that you are able to get the benefit out of the Amazon Great Indian Sale, and of course deliver some great products, listings, and offers for our customers across the country. Thank you so much.